Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these Ozeino ZW1 gaming headset. As you can see, here is the box. This thing has some very nice RGB lights along the side. It's also got a microphone, a quick mute switch, also a nice dial. You can go ahead and adjust the volume very easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these things up right here. Right off the bat, I've got the headset very nicely wrapped inside this bubble wrap. Another layer of wrapping right there. And here is that microphone along the side right here. This can go ahead and adjust 120 degrees. So you can get out of your face a little bit if you like. And here along the side is where the RGB lights will be. Taking a further look inside this box, we've got the cord right here. This is a very nice braided cord. And that's going to go ahead and allow this cord to not break at all. Look at that. It's got nice flexibility, very strong. It's got caps on these end pieces here. You got USB to power up the headset, and you've also got a 3.5 millimeter jack. So as you can see, you got some very nice length with this cord, but also inside the box, we've got this USB extender that will give you quite a bit more length. Let's go ahead and untwine that. Look at that. A lot more length with this extender, so you can reach underneath your desk, connect it up to your desktop, connect it to your speakers, what have you. We've also got this little adapter right here if you got the red and the green on your computer. We've got the user manual, and that's it for the box. So I plugged it in, and you can take a look at the RGBs right there. We got green, blue, very nice hues. Right off the bat, I could tell this has very nice noise isolation. I'm not able to hear anything outside. It's super comfortable. These pads really encapsulate my ear, and they're also nice and soft. And here is that full extension. So you can basically pull like that on either side. It's also got this nice pad up top. That's a very important feature because you don't want the top of your head to start hurting after long usage. Again, here's that microphone. You can fully get it out of the way, or you can get it right in front of you. It's also got a little light right there that also has RGB. And then you can go ahead and just maneuver that in front of your mouth and get full-on voice recording. And then here, attached on the cord, you've got a quick mute switch. Right now it's on, but you just simply go like that and it goes off, back on. And then you can adjust the volume of the headset using this dial right here. So you can fine-tune that, and it's nice and in reach at all times. So I have this headset plugged into my phone right now, and it sounds amazing. It's got very nice bass. I can definitely hear all the little features of the song I'm listening to. So I have no doubts that this will allow me to hear all the different sounds I want to hear when I'm playing video games. Overall, I highly recommend this Ozeino ZW1 gaming headset. Thanks for watching.